Today I'm going to be building some motor mounts out of 1 5/8 DOM tube to mount the 6-liter Chevy in the Subaru Impreza hatch. After preparing all the individual pieces of the new motor mounts and subframe, I bolt the motor mount to the motor and weld a section of tube from the new frame mount to the U-shaped motor mount receiver. Then I remove the temporary tubular subframe and install all new tubes and weld in support bars to the original frame mounts. The new radiator and intercooler will mount to the subframe and will be removable with the engine as a complete unit. Here are some photos of the new tubular subframe and the new motor mounts.